第5條Allchem 溝 energy 溝 X-base 嘅題目啦，咁啊望一望啊，佢就話啦有嚿嘢咁啊 WC4H6O4 咁啊係溶於水嘅，再加上 A part 啊，咁啊擺 magnesium 落去嘅時候咧，咁我發現咗咧喺 AQ 啊，即係有水嘅情況之下，佢係會出 hydrogen gas 嘅，咁啊基本上有水有 AQ 啊，跟住可以同 metal react 咧，即係有 X 啦，咁所以 based on 呢樣嘢 deduce 一個 functional group，suggest 一個 functional group 咧，咁佢應該係一個 carboxyl group 嚟嘅。簡單嚟講就係一個 COOH group 啦。咁然後佢就話咁啊1 mol 嘅呢個 W 咧，嗱呢個 W 係寫咗 C 㗎。咁啊佢係可以同2 mol 嘅 NH react 1:2，咁即係佢有2個 carboxyl group 啦。佢要你畫2個其中可以 possible structure。咁啊第一個會係咩咧？咁啊你問我嘅話最簡單就係4個 C 嘅即係直鏈嘅 exit 啦。咁所以就應該係咁樣嘅。呢度咁啊，所以你睇翻個 formula 都啱嘅，即係呢度你會望到咧，首先2個 action 啦，咁因為佢1:2嘛，咁啊然之後咧大 basic 啦，咁啊 H 咧1、2、3、4、5、6個啦，咁呢度係6個啦，咁啊 O 數分都係啱嘅。咁啊第二個係咩咧？就係3個 C 嘅直鏈嘅 X 啦，咁所以呢度係 COOH， 呢度係 COOH。咦，咁 Michael 仲有個 C 咧可以擺上變 6,3 啊嘛，咁啊就係咁樣啦。OK， 呢就係2個 possible structures 啦。跟住 II 佢就話啦，嗱而家有條 thermochemical equation 係俾咗你㗎啦，咁啊佢係一個嘅 neutralization 嘅 reaction 嚟嘅。咁但係佢就問你啊，究竟咩叫做 standard enthalpy change of neutralization 咧？咁同埋因為咁樣，可唔可以 deduce 下究竟呢個 reaction 嘅 standard enthalpy change of neutralization in terms of Y 係幾多咧？嗱呢條式就唔等於係 neutralization 嘅 standard enthalpy change 啊，因為咧佢係 neutralization，但係佢唔係 standard enthalpy change。咁咩叫 standard enthalpy change of neutralization 咧 ？OK， 首先嗱，我哋要 state 翻個 meaning 先。standard enthalpy change of neutralization。首先啊 ，is the enthalpy change， 佢一個 enthalpy change 嘅。When an exit reacts with an alkaline to give 1 mole of water under standard conditions。咁呢個係背嘅定義嚟嘅。OK， 個重點簡單嚟講，成個重點喺邊咧？就係你要有1 mol 嘅 water 啦。OK， 咁所以啊喺呢條 equation 上面，佢本身咧係2個水嚟噶嘛。Since this thermochemical equation 啊，呢條嘅熱化學方程式咧，佢係 produce 2 mol of H2O molecules 噶嘛。咁所以今次呢個 enthalpy change，standard enthalpy change of neutralization 咧係幾多咧 ？standard enthalpy change of neutralization 咧就係呢個 Y 嘅 over 2嘅 kilojoule per mol 啦，搞掂。OK， 好，去到最尾咧，佢就問你咯嗱，如果咧而家我哋 standard enthalpy change of neutralization 咧，就再加上呢個 HCl 同埋 NOH 一齊-57咁樣啦，咁啊到底比起呢一個實驗嚟講咧，我到底應該個數值係比佢更加負啊，比佢冇咁負啊，定係等於-57咧？首先呢度揀就會1分嘅，另外解釋係另外1分啦。咁啊同佢嘅話咧，呢個大家會知係 weak exit 嚟嘅。咁所以咧，我哋去比較嘅情況之下咧，呢度一定係唔會一樣嘅，佢會係呢個 enthalpy change II 嗰個咧，咁啊應該係 less negative， 咁放冇咁多熱嘅。less negative than 呢一個嘅-57.3 kilojoule per mol。OK， 咁個原因係咩咧？因為 weak exit 嘅時候咧 ，part of the energy 有一部分能量咧 is used for the ionization of weak exit in W。咁所以有部分能量少咗。吞咗，咁所以就會放少咗能量噶啦，就係咁簡單。